Okay guys, so what's up? Another day, another test. And so yung trip natin is to test emergency generator, load test, sequence test, and we will also include simulation test of all alarms for our emergency generator engine. Okay? So let's go guys, let's try out now.
Operation should be in auto mode. We will use this switch for emergency system sequential start. Okay, for the record guys, I need also timing for this auto start and engaging of engine under load. So this is part of our PMS that our ship is complying the SOLAS regulation in terms of emergency power supply. Cylinder head high temperature alarm. So lower the set point up to the lower of the current value, and after the alarm put it back to setting value. Fuel oil high pressure pipe leak alarm. Raise the float so alarm will activate. Lobe oil low pressure alarm. So close the valve, then slowly release the pressure inside the sensor until the alarm activated. And after that, close and open again the valve. Next, overspeed alarm. So inside the panel, so there's a test switch. So press the test switch and overspeed alarm will activated with shut down the engine. Next, start failure alarm. So to do this, so keep this stop valve engaged. We'll go to engine and make 3 consecutive start failure alarm will activate. Then after this, you should start again the engine to ensure that in standby mode emergency generator engine is ready to start.